Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5115M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Tractor has right at 300 hours on it. Very nice tractor. Tires are good on it. Again, it is the 5115M, which is rated at 115 horsepower. And again, very low hours, right at 300 hours. It does have the loader joystick and loader valve. If you want to add a loader to the tractor, you certainly can do so. Foldable rollover bar. It's triple rear hydraulics, 540 and 540 PTO, extendable 3-point arms. Very clean unit, as you can see. Does have the full suspension seat here for the operator. That seat also swivels. Left-hand power reverser allows direction changes without clutching. 16-speed transmission, 4 ranges, 4 gears. It does have a D-clutch button right there on the shift lever. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.